When disaster strikes, seconds matter. Today, we're breaking down the essential steps that turn chaos into clarity. Welcome to Accident Investigation. Every accident investigation follows a critical sequence. It all starts with one essential action: secure the scene. This means establishing a perimeter, preventing further damage, and ensuring no additional people are at risk. Think of it as creating a safe zone before anything else can happen. Right alongside scene security comes providing immediate care to the injured. Every second counts. Medical teams rush to stabilize victims while the scene is being locked down. Once the immediate crisis is under control, the lead investigator steps in to assemble the investigation team. This typically includes engineers, safety experts, medical personnel, and specialized investigators, each bringing unique expertise to uncover what went wrong. The team kicks off with a preliminary briefing sharing what we know so far, outlining objectives, and coordinating the investigation strategy. Next, visiting the accident site, the investigators arrive with fresh eyes and detailed equipment: cameras, measuring tools, and documentation systems. Every detail matters. The position of debris, skid marks, structural damage, it all tells a story. This leads to a detailed site inspection. The team meticulously examines every square inch, collecting physical evidence, taking photographs, and creating detailed maps of the accident location. Nothing is overlooked. With the physical evidence secured, investigators interview each victim and witness. These testimonies are gold. They provide eyewitness accounts, timelines, and perspectives that physical evidence alone cannot reveal. Interviews are recorded, documented, and cross-referenced for accuracy. Finally, the team conducts a post-investigation briefing. This is where findings are compiled, conclusions are drawn, and recommendations are made. The report becomes the foundation for preventing similar accidents in the future. Understanding these procedures isn't just protocol, it's about learning from accidents to save lives. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what aspect of accident investigation interests you most.